I'm pleased to announce that YYC and China Press will be organizing a global seminar on how to plan your growth with equity strategy. And YYC, as you know, is a successful company on its own and is providing excellent advisory services in the accounting and financial areas. I hope that you will participate in this important conference because we are going to have many experts who would advise you on how to plan the future of your family business. For example, whether to list a company or to remain as a family business. And this is important because for many of you, you may want to have a better valuation, or this may help you in your succession planning or in professionalizing the way you run your business now. Especially many of you may be thinking of how to go global in a very digitalized world. If I have a chance, I would also want to share with you my personal experiences about the advantages of listing and some of the challenges that you have to prepare for, in particular, your own leadership capability, the talent pool, the culture of your company, and so on. So please don't miss this great opportunity because it may make a big difference to the valuation of your company and how you exit, and to be rewarded and recognized for all your hard work for one generation maybe. So please come on January 14, 15 to this seminar. We will see you there.